Hi guys. Good to actually see you. Okay, I need to move my chat a little bit because I didn't see your messages. Hi again. Finally upgraded my setup and I can start streaming again. So yeah, I'm happy. Yeah, and in a minute I'll tell you what we're doing today. What I have planned for you today. Hi again. Yeah, I'm doing great. Yeah, had some issues with my setup, also some other stuff, but yeah, I want to continue my streaming stuff, so yeah, coming here live. Yeah, and I'm doing good. You'll soon, I think, see the feature I was doing for the past few weeks, and that's quests. If you haven't heard that, there will be quests. Yeah, and it should be good. It should be a nice feature to have. You'll be able to turn in some stuff to get some rewards. You'll have a reputation level that you can increase and get a better quests, all that stuff. So I'm creating a system for that, for quests, but what will be the quests actually, I don't know, because we'll have a discussion what to actually allow in quests and how to build them. But yeah, I hope that what I'm doing is flexible enough to meet all the expectations from all the guys that will be responsible for that. Yeah, so maybe there will be leaks later on the stream. We'll see. Yeah, like daily quests. Yeah, something like daily quests. You'll be able to skip quests paying stamina. So if you don't like a quest, you can skip it, but it will cost you your stamina supply. Like a little bit of it. Not sure on the numbers yet, so I won't be telling any numbers. Because it all has to be discussed internally. Yeah, but pretty much daily quests that you will be able to do, and it will be per NFT, so per character, as an example. So if you have a lot of characters, you will have a lot of different quests. Yeah, I'll show you later. Not yet, just to keep you curious. Okay, so what am I doing currently is this stuff. It's an admin page for our guys that are responsible for all kinds of giveaways, for configuring stuff, for setting all the variables that can be set. Thanks, Sally. Yeah, so it should be useful for our team to make it easier for them to add stuff, change stuff, configure stuff. Also, I hope that you can hear me clearly. I don't have a new microphone, but I borrowed a Thai microphone, and yeah, I heard it's pretty okay. I configured Streamlabs, so it shouldn't pick up my keyboard when I'm silent, but you should be able to hear me. Yeah, you should be able to hear me clearly. Yeah, so the tab I'm doing on the admin page is weapons. Here we will have some dust supplies stuff. So if someone were to add supplies for anyone, like the admin, of course, you can do that here from this page. And the quest stuff is, yeah, the biggest one. Yeah, and I'm creating some sorts of like skeletons for other contracts that we have, so that like it's visual and you don't have to interact with a contract on BSC scan or something like that. It's more, yeah, visual. Yeah, I had the dust like separate for incrementation and decrementation, then I figured I'll introduce a flag for that to not have like duplicated stuff. Sally, I don't know what you mean. I saw the land contract. Huh. You mean this one? The tab? Yeah. Here's minting of the lands. So you can mint multiple. Oh, that's weird. Update chunk IDs. Huh. There's a bug. Like, only translation. But, yeah, it's funny. Yeah, so you have a view for what you'll not see, because, yeah, it's for admins only. But you can see how it looks like from our side. Oh, yeah. Thanks for the follow, Cryptosam. Okay. Let's do it with the flag I wanted to introduce. Can I do it like that? That would be nice. So it should be increment supplies or decrement supplies. Oh yeah, I can do that. Yeah, and I'm passing a function here. Oh, that's nice. Okay, I also want to change translations. So it will be increment dust supplies. Same here, or here we will have like a title. Okay, whatever. I have to correct all the stuff that I changed. So it will be only this thing. Copy pasting stuff. Okay. So increment supplies. Okay, pretty similar. Not allow like empty transactions or transactions that will fail. Okay. Yeah, sorry about the copy paste stuff. It's just changing my own decisions after it's done. Yeah. Decrement. And also I need to add some kind of way to manipulate the flag. Oh, Kimpachi, thanks for the follow. Okay, so it's choosing correct method. I need to, yeah, disable this name. Supplies button disabled. Let's name it like that. Okay. Also, yeah, I need a way to control the flag. I think I have it in quests. Quests tab. Yeah, also, I hope you can see the code clearly this time. I changed a setup, my setup. So yeah, you should be able to actually read stuff that's showing up on my screen, not like before. So let me change that. Okay. Okay, so I have a flag here somewhere. Promo quest templates is what it's called, and it's this button group. So let's copy paste it, and we don't need anything on change. We only need true and false, and it should be increment dust. And let's so yeah, true is this one, false is this one. I probably switch them a bit. Oh, come on. Don't let me change it. Oh, come on. I hate it. ID against me. Okay. Let's see how it looks like. Yeah. And it should also change the translation there, so you can be sure what command you're using. Also, yeah, I have to change something. So you won't be able to see me for a sec, but Chrome is suggesting some addresses from me, so I need to hide it so you can dox me. Where is it? Chrome setup, come on. Autofill. Oh, yeah. That's the correct option. Okay, and we're back. Yeah, secrets. Yes, it was recommending like addresses here, because if you don't know, when you're naming stuff in like Bootstrap framework or anything like that, it just creates some universal HTML that is later recognized by the browser. So if there's a type text and a placeholder is something address, Chrome might pick it up as an actual address and suggest it to the user. I think you can... Oh, let's test it. Or not test it, but just check in the Bootstrap documentation, because you can like not permit it to autocomplete. So it's a bform input. Autofill, something like that. Fill. Now. Suggestions. Oh, I don't care really. It's just an admin panel. Okay, so is it sending dust correctly? Let's see. So let's see what this account has. It's a development account. So, yeah, it has one of each. So let's add like 1, 2, and 3 to check if it's adding correctly. Or yeah, it's not even calling the method. I think I missed my parentheses here. Come on. It's building still. Oh yeah, it's compiling. Something's up. Yeah, sometimes I have to restart the build. So yeah, currently we have the weapon stop that I want to, like I asked Levitate what can be useful for him and for other guys from the team. Yeah, and weapons were on that list. So when there's a giveaway or something, Levi can go here and add a weapon for any address. That's the basic idea. Let's refresh just to make sure it's, yeah, okay. Increment. Okay, so it should increment dust supplies. I don't think it's refreshing. Yeah, it's not a problem. I wanted it this way. You don't always go to the admin tab just to add yourself some dust. Okay, yeah. It's adding dust, and now I want to decrement dust the same way. So it should be 111 after this transaction. Let's see. Oh, it incremented it. Yeah, okay. So, increment supplies. The method was surely working earlier. Did I do that correctly? Did I change the... Yeah, I didn't change it. I know. You need to let me know if I don't notice something this obvious that I didn't change the flag I just introduced. Yeah, okay, it's decrementing. Yeah, so that's working. I have a list of ABI commands that we can introduce. So we can do weapon burning, but I think the most important is minting. Yeah, so mint giveaway weapon. Yeah, let's introduce that. So first things first, we need to add a method to interact with contract in our Web3 communication layer, which is store. Oh, I was checking lands here. We thought we had a bug earlier with Sally. But turned out everything's fine. Okay, so let's do it here. Also, do I want to commit it? No, later. Yeah, weapons admin. Let's do it later. Okay, so here we can introduce a method called mint weapon giveaway. I don't know what it will take as a parameter yet. Oh yeah, address, stars, and element. Yep. Let's see what Copilot says. It doesn't read solidity, I think, because it's not called like that, like the same way I named my method. It's called... Oh, it is mint giveaway weapon. Okay, yeah, I changed my name to giveaway weapon. Yeah, the rest is okay, okay-ish. Yeah, and let's introduce the fields we'll need. So I'll create another section, just like this. Oh, also, I wanted to change this translation here. So let me do that because I will forget later. It will be increment, decrement, dust supplies. Oh, exactly that, yeah. Okay, now we can invalid number of arguments expected to. Oh, let's see how it looks like in weapons. Oh, you're lying to me. Okay, let's define the interface here. So it will be to string stars, and it will be an integer, so number, and chosen element, which will be also a number. And from is void. Yep. Okay. Also, the advantage of admin panel over like interacting with contracts, I can do stuff like doing a drop downs for fields that would be integer. So, for example, if we were to interact with quests and we would like to add a new quest, give me a moment. Oh, yeah. So, if we would like to add a new quest, it would look like that. So, you would have to add all these arguments in a correct order, and each of these arguments mean something else. And yeah, it's just not user-friendly, and it's not only not user-friendly, but it's error-prone to do it like that. Because we would like, if you would change some stuff, you could, instead of amount, you can set, for example, the rarity of a weapon. So we wouldn't want like 5 stars for one star or something like that. So I made this, and you can actually choose a human readable stuff. So you can choose a quest tier, what kind of requirement type it will be, requirement rarity, yeah, the numbers you can add, it's, yeah, minimum number is 0, all that stuff. It's just easier. And here's a confirmation. If you are actually sure that you want this particular quest added. Oh, yeah, some leaks for you also. Yeah, so it's way easier. Same way with promotional quests that we will introduce even later, but there's a framework for that as well. Yeah, so let's do weapons, weapon minting. So same with a weapon mint, it will be just a contract call, and you have to add an address, number of stars, and chosen element. And you have to know which number is which element. And here we could create a dropdown for that. Oh, is Say actually streaming right now? Oh, he just wanted to steal my viewers. Yeah, what is it? Come on. Secret code project? Yeah, I can see that his title is Cryptoblades Secret Code Project. Oh, that's just not nice. Okay. So, let's add some dropdowns. First, I will do something like this. separate the actions, so it will just add the same thing twice. If it's here. But we don't want that. We want some drop downs for weapon minting. So player address will still stay the same, but these inputs should be 2 drop downs, right? And let me go to quests admin. Also, I think I can use rarity enum. So enum is like a set of fixed values, and it helps in a way that you can just have a number for each one. So here, for example, we have rarity, which is like, it's not the CB names, but it's for quests. So it's like common, uncommon, rare, epic, and legendary, and it's just numbers, like it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. But if we are using the rarities here, we can actually create some human readable interface for that. And it's just suggestions are better if you're using enums. So I have enums here. There are enums in Solidity. Also, there will be the first contract made almost entirely by me, the quests contract. So I didn't want to be only a front-end developer for Cryptoblades. I always wanted to do full stack, and I was doing full stack earlier, of course, but not that much Solidity. And I have great reviewers for that, so don't you worry. It will be safe and sound. Let's see. I have some options here. Let's just copy it and modify it. We don't need that. Classes can stay. So V model would be weapon rarity or something like that. And it will, I think we'll have to introduce a new enum, because I don't want to use the one from quests. It will be a rarity, it will be local, and let's say it's once. Can I use numbers in names? Or maybe I'll just use the same enum. I think. But I can, of course, I can show number of stars that you will mint when doing stuff with this method. Also, it's getting dark, but it's not that bad. Okay, I'm testing the webcam as well, because I'm using it for the first time actually. But it's 60p, 60 FPS, so you can, I think you can see me pretty smoothly. Okay, so stars and chosen element. I'm not sure what chosen element will look like, so I'll just use number for now. And weapon rarities. So the way I do it is that I can specify all the weapon rarities. So for example, here we are iterating over rarities, so just rarities, and rarities is initialized like that. So it's it's an array of rarities, as you guessed. And we can iterate over them. And I'm introducing it like that because, for example, there was a requirement none or something like that on the. So we don't use zeros that much in Solidity because it's problematic sometimes. So for example, requirement type, the first one is none, and it won't be used. So I'm cutting it out from the array I'm using for the dropdown. So it's still like weapon is 1, junk 2, etc. But yeah, it's not using the non one. So I'll do the same thing here. It's actually exactly the same. And weapon rarity would be, oh, it can be undefined, right? Like that, and it's weapon rarities. No, actually I have 2 because yeah, I needed the second one. So yeah, the thing with monitors and my streaming career that's short and ineffective. I have an ultrawide monitor because I changed from 2 monitors to 1 ultrawide. And yeah, when I was streaming, it was distorted and like I couldn't have anything privately because I was streaming my entire screen, because I sometimes show you guys something in development environment, or sometimes I'm googling something and explaining stuff, or the code. So I couldn't like check my Discord right with my team. So yeah, it was a little bit problematic. So I bought a second monitor and I have it vertically. So yeah, I'm sometimes looking up there, sometimes here. So it's just a monitor, but tilted. Yeah, so that's my setup basically. It's a work in progress still. Okay, let's continue with rarities. Also, yeah, I hope that the webcam is in the right place. I see that my background isn't that bad, I think. You can see my balcony, and yeah, it's still daylight in my time zone. Or yeah, it soon be dark, but in other yeah, you know that stuff. And you can see my kitchen behind me, and it's not it's clean, yeah. Okay, weapon rarity, so it will be a vmodel. It's disabled. No, it's never disabled. Okay, we want to have an undefined option. We'll change translations later. Let's focus on functionality first. Yeah, and weapon rarities. Okay, and translations. Translations here are, yeah, let's see if it's showing up. Type checking in progress. Something's wrong. Yeah. Undefined. What's up? Oh, yeah, rarity is not defined. That's the thing. You have to paste the enum you're using in data to use it in a template, and template is the thing up here. It's like how the building blocks are aligned on the website, and here we are like giving it data. So yeah, rarity has to be here. Do I have to? Oh, what's wrong? Can't I just add it like that? Wasn't it here? As data. What's wrong? That's weird. I don't see a typo here. Oh, chosen element, come on. Well, we can leak something if you want. Nightmare. Hey, come on, I corrected it. Yeah, there's a new tab here, quests. Also, we stumbled upon a problem that there are too many tabs. As you can see, it filled up quickly. Okay, there's my character, and I can request the quest. Okay. Oh, see? We have a drop-down now. Yeah, its translations are wrong, but not a problem. So why is it still red? Come on. Chosen element is... Oh my god. Chosen element? What? Oh, come on. You can do better. Okay, so let's do... Yeah, in a moment, Nightmare, I will show you more. I'll have to like add characters, because yeah, there's a problem with character with ID 0. Like I said earlier, Solidity doesn't like zeros sometimes. So yeah, if I have a character with ID 0, I cannot interact with it on other contracts. So I'll have to recruit someone. But that comes later. If this works, when it works, and translations are added, I'll show you some of quests. How it looks like, how it behaves. Okay, so chosen element. Yeah, it can be undefined also. The start. Okay, so weapon rarities, and I want another input, a number input. So I will copy this. After select. Also, I don't need this. Why is it always there? Come on. Okay. So formatting. Oh, got it. Okay, I want to define an action. So the mint giveaway weapon. So I have it declared in an interface that is communicating with the store, that communicates with Solidity contracts. So now I'll have to like do an action. What are we doing on click? So mint weapon, that's the weapon, let's say. And it will also, let's see what Copilot has to say. Okay, player address, chosen element. Yeah, that's correct. Clear inputs. It's loading. Huh. Programmer's job is easy. Okay, so let's take a look one more time. Player address is loading, clear inputs, mint giveaway weapon. Oh yeah, I want to also clear inputs like weapon rarity and weapon stars. Oh, chosen element. Yeah, weapon rarity is weapon stars. Yeah, so chosen element undefined also. Okay. I also added the button, no, form input, and I want it to have, or maybe not. Maybe let's do it on select also. Oh, first, thanks for the follow. I am Victini. Okay. Yeah, so we'll probably introduce an array for elements. So yeah, I'll have to check the numbers because I don't remember them. So it will be, okay, so I'll check the numbers actually. Mint giveaway weapon. So chosen element can be 100, I think, and it's a random element. And I don't know what are like the order of 4 elements. Hi, Kevin. Yeah, I don't remember that. Okay, let's just do it by trial and error, or just element. So it should be like random, and it will be a 100. There will be 0. Yeah, whatever. Water, earth, wind. No. Wait. What elements do we have? Oh yeah, lightning. Lightning, right? Yeah, it should be from 0. No, you're not laughing at me, so that's nice of you. Yeah, I literally forgot what elements we have in game. Yeah, leaks on my stream. New element incoming. What was it? Wind, right? Yeah, wind. Don't quote you on that. It's not true. Yeah, it should be undefined, and we should have chosen elements. Blah, 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 blah. Weapons elements. Weapon elements. Yeah, all of them. Leaks, leaks, leaks. All about leaks. Okay, so let's see weapon elements. So the second one, we want element, chosen element. Element. Okay. Let's see if it's showing up correctly. Oh, the build times are... Oh, come on. Why is it building so long? Yeah, let's wait. Okay. let's continue. Oh, come on. Undefined. What's up with that? Oh, yeah, same thing. And it's rebuilding, so I'll probably check the translations in the meantime. Let's say it will be rarities. And we want, yeah, something like that. But we want also uncommon. And it will be like 1 star, 2 star, 3 stars. No. Okay, no trading. Commas. Let's read properties of undefined. Reading 0. Fair. Yes, just continue. I'm wondering if it's because I did the number enums, but I don't think it is. Let's see. Charge. Yeah, it's charisma, I think. Oh, it's still giving me the undefined. Elements is not defined. Elements? Element. Oh. Read Chris. Also, I can see that the camera is picking up like some light from my monitors. Yeah, that's nice. Also, you want to see something? Oh. You won't be able to. Yeah, okay, it loaded. They are moving. Oh damn, I'm orange. Let's see if this helps. Yeah. that's actually, yeah, the best thing of my smart home. Yeah, it's my hobby. Most of the lights are toggleable everywhere. Yeah, so you can see that the lights change. Yeah, it's funny on stream because you can actually see me and see my background changing when I click here. So that's nice. Okay. Please select reward rarity. What's up with that? Oh yeah. Yeah, turn off fridge. It's a fridge light. It's just called, I think, yeah, it's fridge. I'm turning it off at night, don't you? The fridge. Oh yeah, and also yeah, there's 0 degrees in my living room. Yeah, it's buggy. It's not that cold. Yeah, I saw my typo. I wanted to do rarities here, and I have it here. And here I want to have elements. Also, yeah, there's something wrong with the build because JavaScript just broke. Oh, also, the lights, now, the lights triggered because the sun is down. So, yeah, they trigger by themselves. I have a plan for my streams, actually, that can be interesting. Like, when some streamers have, like, I have something set up, like the basic stuff when someone follows or something like that, you can see something on screen. But I think it's possible to make, like, if there was a subscription or something, I could do like the light show or stuff like that. And yeah, that's pretty interesting because you can do pretty much anything with these lights, the RGB ones. So if you, for example, set it to police, yeah, so that kind of stuff, it's, yeah, strobe color. Oh no, dyslexic people won't like me, sorry. Oh yeah, we can leave it like that because many streamers have like the nano leaf or something. I can have my countertop lights that change colors. Yeah, there are some presets, all that stuff. Yeah, I can show you more if you're interested on later streams. Okay, so elements. Let's see. Like that. Oh, air. That's nice. No, I don't think I will have air. Yeah, fire, water, earth, light. Did I spell it right? Oh, I'm brain dead. Yeah, I did. Good. Ignore my stupid ass. Oh yeah, and I have to rebuild it because it broke. Also, I was thinking about a face reveal or something big, but you can see my face everywhere, like I have some avatars, and also GitHub. If you're checking stuff that I'm doing, feel free, yeah. Yeah, being a faceless developer and then big face reveal. Interesting. Okay, so as you can see, we have drop downs that have stars and rarities. No, sorry, what? Yeah, elements. I need to change some text, but you get the idea. You can actually choose stuff you want to mint. Yeah. Also, I won't be able to do it separate, I think. So if you change player address here, you change it there. I could introduce an object that I'm sending. I probably should. Yeah. Let's do it. So what I'm thinking about is an interface that will hold the data. So it will be a weapon mint, giveaway weapon mint, for example. And it will have all the fields necessary, so 2 stars and chosen element. Right? That's stars? Yeah. Let's say. And we'll have this here. So instead of weapon rarity, we'll have a weapon giveaway weapon mint. Giveaway weapon mint. And it will be of type, I guessed it, but I have to have it. Oh yeah, I have to do something. Yeah. Undefined, undefined, and empty string. And we should have this here. So chosen element goes to hell. This goes to hell. Giveaway weapon mint of type giveaway weapon mint. Weapon rarity. Oh yeah, it can be. Yeah, sorry, undefined. So rarity and element. Yes, and we can use this in order to have like that. The models of this, and it will be stars. The model this, and it will be chosen element, right? Yes. Oh, there's translations for quests. No, little leaks everywhere. I wanted to check. Yeah, I wanted this as a template for me. So please select stars. It will be stars, and please select elements. And button is doing just mint, I guess. No, mint weapon, yeah. Let's say mint weapon. And we don't need any flag here. Just one translation here as well. So it will be mint weapon. I can have it without parentheses. I'll only need to change the method here. So this dot mint giveaway weapon mint chosen element and stars, right? Yeah, and here we'll have 2. Stars. And chosen element. Let's check it again. Oh, yeah, clearing the input. Yeah, that's better to have an object here, because I can have multiple fields that yeah, are pretty similar, but can be separate because of the object here. So it should be working now. This is driving me crazy. It was like a few seconds earlier and now it's taking forever. So player address, stars. Oh yeah, one more thing. Disabled. Yeah, mint weapon button disabled. It should be similar to that, but not entirely. We're also operating with is loading, so that's fine. This giveaway weapon means 2. This, come on, pilot. Not so wise now, huh? Okay, chosen element. Yeah, so this method returns a boolean, so a true or false value, and it's saying when to disable the button. So when the action is going on in the background, or when not everything is filled up correctly, we like just disable the button for the user. Did it build? Not yet. Great. So how are you guys? So let me check Discord. Yeah, Pika, you're doing great. That's nice. I'm using like a Thai mic or something like that, it's called. Wait, you'll see it here. It's Boya. Wait, I googled it earlier. M1. Yeah, it's this one. I borrowed it, so it's not permanent, but it's still better than the one I have on my headset. So this one, the glowing one. It's glowing because it's turned off. But yeah, it's pretty nice. It's really cheap. Like it's 50 zloty. So it's like $10, 12. Yeah, it's mainly used in interviews or something like that. I'm planning to have like a nice microphone, but it will come later. There's no need for that. Okay, let's see. Also, it's just one weapon, right? You can't specify the amount. Oh, that's interesting. Okay, the button is not working. I should have parentheses here, I guess. Is valid? Yeah, it's valid. It's not undefined. Yeah, it's hard to see because the light isn't great. I'll pick it up for you. Look. Yeah, it's this small. I hope I'm not killing you with touching it. Sorry. I care for your ears, guys. Also, I had to learn Streamlabs and how you can like apply filters on particular things. So for example, if I'm talking, I think you can hear my mouse, but when I stop talking, you shouldn't hear it, I think. Yeah. So like there are filters to not like make you deaf or uncomfortable when I'm silent and clicking something. Window shopping. Got an idea what you want? No, actually, no. Yeah, and I'm not going to. I'm gonna stall this purchase for now. Yeah, I'll just watch some reviews and pick something up. I don't want anything over the top. Like, yeah, I'll be only using it to stream or to talk with my friends. And it's not that important to have clear voice on like a Discord call during League of Legends game. But it would be nice on stream. Okay, let's see if it's working. So 1-star weapon of lightning element. Come on. It's not a function. Mint giveaway weapon is not a function. Huh. That's weird. Mint? Maybe I misspelled something. Let's see. Oh, it lagged. Mint giveaway weapon. What? It is a function. Okay, let's investigate. Mint weapon. Maybe it's not public? No, it is, for sure. It's a mint giveaway. Yeah, it's minter. Oh, minter only. But minter only is... Yeah, admin is in there. And I'm game admin for weapons. Yeah, that's a little bit of solidity. We have a function that we want to call. Like it's creating a sword, right? A weapon. It's taking address, stars, and chosen element as inputs. And it's external, so only to be used outside of the contracts. So for example, yeah, through the BSC scan or something like that. And there's also a modifier that checks for the like requirements for this particular method. So minter only says that you can do it only if you have role admin or a role of minter. It's a requirement. If not, it will just roll back. Let's see, was there a typo or was it not built? Okay, address. Mint giveaway weapon is not a function. Oh! My bad. But at least I figured it out. I have to, like, this is just an interface. So we are declaring that we could use this kind of methods, but we have to specifically say that we are mapping the method from store. So mint giveaway weapon from store as this interface, and then we can use it. Come on. Is anybody watching Say stream? How how's he doing with the secret project? What is it? I'm actually curious. There it is. A transaction. So I should have 1 Starfire weapon in my inventory after that. Ta-da! It's here. Nice. Let's do some 5 stars. Oops, not this stuff. Teasing you like that. Oh, and let's have a random element. Yeah, I'll show you quests in a minute. It's only 10 people. For sure you won't like screenshot stuff and put it somewhere. Also, it's not finished yet. The designs are yet to come, so it's just something I've built. Yeah, okay, so I'll show you quests. So leaks incoming. I have to recruit a character for that. Let's have 2 characters. Okay, and first things first, I need to go to admin page because we don't have any quests, I think. Yeah, we don't. So, like, starting out, you'll have reputation of level 1. And what it means is that you will have a common quest. For sure. In this setting, all things can change. So keep in mind, all numbers are not final here. So there's a 100% chance that I will get a common quest. So as it's a development environment, I'll have to add a quest first. So let's say I'm adding a common quest that has a requirement of weapon that is also common. So 1 star. I could change it to stars, but you get the idea. And as an output, I'll have something else. And let's have 123 reputation for that quest. So we're adding a new quest. Are you sure you want to add this quest? It's a common quest that using 1 star weapon. So 1 star weapon, you have to turn in 1 star weapon. So essentially burn it, but without dust. And you'll get a reward of 123 reputation and some other stuff. So let's add this quest. Yeah, and there's 1 quest in the pool. We can add something else as well. So let's do like, I don't know, trinkets and add it as well. Oh, I need to center this text. Okay. Oh, come on. That's disgusting. Why is it like that? Wait. Yeah, sorry for going away from the topic, but I want to see. Oh, it's just not centered. Okay. Let's see. Oh, there's a question. Oh, first chat. Welcome. Shield upgrading will be done. No. It's not this. Quests will be just simple quests for now. These are simple, and that will require you to do something. We have rights there, so do set amount of rights to get a reward, or turn something in, and it can be anything. And what will be in the final version, or what will be given to you in quests, will depend on internal discussion, what will be allowed and what not. Okay, so the general idea is that you can go to the tab and you can request a quest. So it's for the first time you have to request one. And it's broken. Yeah, I'm kidding. I think I don't have like some flag or something set up. So just give me a moment and I'll try to set it up. It's a local environment, so that's why. Let me check something. Damn it, I don't remember the number. I think it's 9. Okay. Friday, yeah. Let's see. Okay, it showed up. Okay, confirm. And we got our first quest. So, as an example, we have to turn in 1 times 1 star weapon. Here we can see the progress of the quest. We can skip it with stamina, and it will essentially roll again. So we can submit. You can see your 1 star swords that you want to submit, and you can confirm. And let's see what happens next. So the next step is to complete a quest, because yeah, the requirements were met. You can do it like partially, so if there are like 3 swords or 4 swords, you can add one, then later in a day add another or something. Like not in a day, like it's not time constraint. There are no time constraints on that, and you can complete it. There are 2 transactions because we Poshdan introduced safe randoms, so it will be really safe for you guys, and there will be no such thing as, I hope, no such thing as like exploits and stuff. And let's see. And we got our rewards. So yeah, that's a nice reward for 1 times 1 star. I don't have 5-star sword on production, but yeah, I can give myself 10 5 stars for one 1-star sword in here. So I'm happy. Yeah, and it's basically it. You get your reputation. As you can see, we went up a little bit. You have another quest rolled. No, we rolled the same quest for this one. So let's roll again. Okay, and we got the one I don't have centered text. I don't know why. Yeah, but as you can see, we can, for example, now turn in the 5-star weapon, and yeah, and we'll get trinkets. Just so you know, I want to emphasize that rewards can change, and we might never use trinkets or shields, never. It's just a tool I provided, and the guys from marketing team, and yeah, all these guys will decide what to actually use. Just keep it in mind. It should show our trinkets. Come on. Oh yeah, nice trinkets. 10 trinkets of 5-star. I'm rich. I'm rich locally now. Take a look at that. Okay, yeah. And also, great to hear that it looks fine. It will look better because I didn't have any designs. So yeah, our designer Zhang will probably over the weekend provide me with some designs to actually make it look nicer. But it's functional. Yeah, there are all kinds of conditions to loadings and disabling the buttons and stuff that yeah, you are just sending it to a null address. So burning it completely. How much to ban hats? 1 subscription, because I don't think I have one. No, I'm just kidding. Just so you know, no promises. Yeah, so the weapons or anything that will be an input here will get burned totally, and yeah, cannot be reverted. Also, just a tip, Solidity, like all the NFTs and stuff, we are saying that it's burning. Oh, thanks for the follow, Sniper Prof. That we're burning everything and all that stuff, but it's not actually disappearing your NFT, it's sending it to a null address, because you cannot like kill an NFT. So yeah, that's how it's done everywhere. Thanks for the follow. Yeah, so as you can see, requirement types, you have rights. Also, yeah, the interface for admins changes. So I hope they will be happy, and it will be easy to use. Like if you select dust, for example, you'll see lesser, great, or powerful. So it's human friendly, not the numbers I showed earlier. Like you can compare. This is adding, I think. Wait, do I remember it from my head? First is tier, so quest tier. It will be common, and this will be requirement 1, so it will be weapon rarity, so 1 star, 1 times. So 1 times 1 star for weapon 3 star 10 times, and this much of reputation. That much of reputation. And then you have this that you can actually choose. It will block you if something's not right. Yeah, and you can see also all the quests that are added to the pools, all the promo quests. You can update reputation level requirements, because yeah, these numbers weren't discussed yet. So I added the possibility to change them. So like it's breakpoints. They are breakpoints for reputation. For example, stamina cost, you can change it. Promo quest templates, do we use it or not? And tier chances. So we can, for example, add 100% for legendary on level 1. And you can save it. It's essentially a tutorial for the guys that will handle quests. That's funny. Yeah, and for example, you can see the percentages here change also, because it's interactive with the blockchain data. So there's a 100% chance for legendary quest at level 1. Yeah, I'll update it just to like not break my local development environment, because I would have exceptions that I wouldn't know what happened. Okay, so that's quests for you. So yeah, don't tell anyone. I showed you everything. Yeah, okay, so minting a weapon is working, a giveaway weapon. So Leditate or whoever will be minting giveaway weapons, I hope he will be happy. Okay, let's just take a look one more time on the weapons admin page. Oh yeah, increment dust supplies. This translation is wrong. Also, I want to add some margin on the top. And I will change the translation to mint giveaway weapon, I think. Oh. Plus. Yeah, better. Yeah, okay, it will build and change the translation. What do I want to add? Yeah, that's not the marketing. You're from marketing, right? Please don't kill. Please don't kill me. You could DM me. I can see my Discord on my streams now. Oh, there's a 5-star giveaway, and it ends in few seconds on the in the launch. If you're not there. Oh damn it! I told you it's so late. There are 2 giveaways actually: 500 soul and 1 5-star. Oh, Picarol! You won a 5-star! Nice! Pyro Picarol. Yeah, I seen it. Rigged, totally. Community managers giving community managers 5-star weapons. Oh, come on. That's not nice, Pika. Congrats. Okay, let me check one more thing and I'll be there. Whoa, over 12,000 characters on BSC, burned on BSC. Nice. Okay. I wanted to check what to add next. Minting is probably the most important. Soul. Oh yeah, soul. It can be given away now. So for example, this giveaway that went on just seconds before. Yeah, I'll probably add one by one. So shields, characters, but minting characters? Is there a method for minting character for someone? Just give me a second, I want to confirm it. I have to turn off Steam. Give me a second. I have to ask what method. Okay, yeah, I will add minting soul. I think it's in characters somewhere, probably, or not. I don't remember. Let's see. Burning manager. All right, yeah. Hi, Levi. Yeah, I created a dashboard for you. Check this out. You can fill player address here. Here you can choose stars of the weapon and an element. And you can just click it away. Pretty neat, huh? Yeah, I'm checking how to add soul adding. But it's basically burning manager. And it's here somewhere. Yeah, choosing numbers. I explained to chat how adding quests for when I first created it, how was it added. So here's the code that was used for a common quest that takes one 1-star sword for 10 3-star swords and 321 reputation. And now you can choose it like that. Yeah, I know, weapon uncommon and all that stuff, but you can see that you have a confirmation even. So that you are sure you're adding a correct quest. Because yeah, once added, the template is for the taking. Reputation will give you better quests. You weren't on the stream earlier, I was explaining it. So yeah, maybe. Basically, yeah, there will be 5 levels of reputation, and each level has different percentages for different quest tiers. Oh, you are driving. Okay, so yeah. Don't watch my stream while driving. Yeah, so there are percentages, and yeah, you guys can change them because yeah, all the numbers aren't final. I'm repeating myself, I know, and you can change it everywhere. Yeah, that's the basic idea. Yeah, reputation system will be like a separate thing, and it will be tailored to the character. So if you have a great character and you want to sell it, for example, you could first level up his reputation to have better percentages for quests. And yeah, when we will actually show it on the front end, it will be more valuable probably because you took the time of doing all these quests. So that's a pretty nice system of reputation. And as I said, reputation stays on the character. So no quest breaching. Like if you breach in this initial design, it's pre-release, so not everything is final. There will be no breaching of quests. Like when you breach a character, you will have an information that your current progress will be zeroed. But where there's 0 anyway, so there's not a problem, and you'll have to request a quest on another chain. But yeah, reputation stays on the character, and reputation is breachable. So you'll have, yeah, there's another thing that can make your character valuable. That you have better percentages for quests. And yeah, it's only for active characters, of course. But if you send a character, for example, to the garrison, it will stay the same. So if you have like 2 out of 4 and you send it to garrison, it's safe, it's tailored with the character. If you take it out, you'll see previous quest that you had and progress that you had. That's the idea behind it. Okay, let's add a burning manager tab. Giveaway soul. That's the method you're using, Levi, on the giveaway you made earlier. So you can skip quests by bridging if you don't have stamina. Actually, when you request a quest on a certain chain, it will stay there, but your progress will 0 on the bridge. So when you go back to the chain you had a quest on, you'll have the quest, but you won't have progress. That's basic idea. You will have to request quest only once, and later when you complete one or skip one, you'll have another quest. So you cannot like basically skip quests by bridging. You'll have a quest per chain. That's yeah. And that's our initial design. It might change before the release. But yeah, it's like that now. Will probably stay similar. Yeah, when released. Why are my hair like glowing? Oh my god. Okay. Yeah, let's do a giveaway soul stuff. Let's go to store. Add a method here. And there were 2 parameters, I think, user and soul amount. Weapons. Burning manager. Burning. Yep. Okay. Giveaway soul. Let's do an interface for that. It will have user parameter, that will be a string, and soul amount, that will be a number. Oh, I can see that my microphone is sometimes picking up my keyboard. But that's all right. Okay. I want to add. I won't forget about this. Let's see if it picks up correctly. GitHub Copilot, everyone. So it's doing the check, the usual check, that data is correct. So, for example, is valid Web3 address. There's a method for that. Also, if soul amount is not undefined. Yeah, just what I had in mind. So that's nice. Giveaway soul, loading, user, soul amount, clear inputs. Perfect. Let's do clear inputs. No, it knows that already. Okay, sorry, Copilot. Okay, and now I want to add the section. So let's add this thingy. We can leave first one, but the rest can be nuked. Oops. Mint giveaway soul. Mint giveaway soul disabled. Layer address, and this will be what's it called? User. That's right, yeah. Player address, mint giveaway soul, yeah, translations, and number input. Let's use this. And it will be this dot Sol amount. Yep. Pretty similar. So I think Copilot will, yeah, do it for us. Okay, what else? What else? Translations only, I think. Mint giveaway weapon. And I would like to have mint giveaway soul. Player address, soul amount. And mint soul. Oh, yeah, Copilot knows, okay. Sorry. Okay, first try. Let's see. It's building, right? Yep. Let's wait. So, 8 viewers. Cool. Cool that you guys stick out. Yeah, I hope I'm making stuff interesting, at least a little bit. Yeah, as I said on my earlier streams, I really like explaining stuff, technical stuff to non-technical people. Yeah, because yeah, if there's any understanding at all, I'm pleased. I'm happy with that. So that's why I'm always commenting what I'm doing, all that stuff. Let's see. Mint giveaway soul, player address, soul amount, and mint soul. Will it work? I should have a poll on my stream, right? Will it work? Oops. It won't. Oh yeah. What the fuck? Ah. I forgot. I had to add the tab. Yeah, it's not a problem. I'll just move everything. But it shouldn't be here. It should be another tab. So burning manager admin. Not a problem. I'll create one. I'll just have to move everything that I've built. And I'll explain to you why it should be separate in a few minutes. I just copied and pasted everything, and I want to have only this thing. Yep. And I don't need this. I don't need this and this. Pretty much nuke everything. I'll explain what I'm doing in a bit, and I'll show you what's going on there. Let's see how fast I can add it without a mistake. Okay. Yep. Okay, I have to declare it now. So I need burning manager admin. And I need to import it here. Yep. And I have to declare it in admin. Admin tab? No, admin.view. Okay, I have added it. It's still building, I guess. Give it a moment. Oh, it's here. Okay. So, oh yeah, this works at least. Yeah, so there's burning manager. Oh, player address. I missed one. Translation. Okay, I'll add it later. Okay, but it didn't work earlier, and I'm wondering why. Let's see the error we got. Don't do this on production. Never. Okay? Just, I want to make sure that you won't do it. Okay, object, what? What's wrong? Okay, I need a moment. I have some ideas what could go wrong. Thanks for the follow. Yo, Jeffy. First message. Hi, Jeffy. I did some leaks, and some people might be angry at me, but I'm streaming, so I don't care now. Burning manager admin. What's wrong? Yeah, I want to add this translation just to have it. Yeah, player address. And it was just player address, okay. Also, how long am I streaming? It was showing up here somewhere. Oh, almost 2 hours. Oh, these builds are killing me. There's something wrong, but I don't know what. Let's try with terminal. So, burning manager. Oh, thanks for the follow, Jeffy. Oh yeah, I know what's wrong. I think I know. It's not turned on, right? Like there's a flag. No, there's not. Let's see. Give away soul, an address, and a number. Okay. And I want to have 25 soul. And it broke. Why though? Why? Maybe there is some vars. Oh damn it, I don't like it. I don't have an error message that actually shows me what's wrong. It's restricted, but it's not giving me the not game admin message. Yeah, burning enabled, doesn't matter for this function. I'm just wondering, no, it's 0, it should be possible. Okay, I have an idea. Let's turn on burning and let's burn a character. And it's 2, let's say 2 times. Okay, and let's now physically go to Plaza and burn something. Oh no, this one has quest. No soul for that? What's up with that? Come on. Thanks for the follow, Carlo Anis. So Burning Manager is deployed for sure. I can interact with it, but I cannot give away. Maybe let's try another account, but it shouldn't matter. Yeah, something's wrong. Oh, by the way, this thing is Ganache, so it's for having a local blockchain for local development. But yeah, I'm fake rich. Yeah, exactly, Larry. That would be nice. Yeah, that's actually my portfolio. These are my accounts. Wanna see private keys? Okay, what's up with the giveaway soul? Yeah, user vars. Maybe I have to set something up. There is a possibility that I have older changes and that there were some fixes made later. But I'm not sure. Yeah, so I think I'll just leave it as is for now. I'll clear weapons admin and commit it. That's the idea. Later I'll check on it. But yeah, basically you'll be able to, maybe not you, but giveaway people or admins, and we'll be able to give away soul from admin panel. Okay, what else? Giveaway soul mint. Let's delete it. We don't need it. Oh, also, yeah, this one is clear. Mint weapon and mint giveaway soul. This was moved. Okay, let's review the commit, as I'm always doing for any not nice stuff like console logs that include swear words. That wouldn't be nice. Yeah, sorry that I'm silent. I'm reading through the code, checking for typos, any of that stuff. Anything that's not used. Oh, here's store. Yeah, looks fine. NFT icon. Oh yeah, that was like some weird bug I fixed somewhere. Oh yeah, also one thing I wanted to correct. Or yeah, no, I just leave it because I don't want to like mix up everything in one commit or something like that. CBK land. Yeah, it was checking for. Oh yeah, I extracted the valid Web3 address. That's nice that Web3 actually has methods that check for stuff like that. Like I don't need to worry about like the whole regex. So checking if the address is correct. So if it includes this many of characters and it starts with 0x, all that stuff. There are utils methods that take care of it. So that's nice to see. I can close it here and here. Yeah, burning manager admin. Just a glance. And admin tab component. Yeah, I'm passing a contract now. The component. Oh, admin maker. Admin maker is the component that's like used in every tab. So here you can see the grant game admin role for a particular contract. Yeah, so it's like common for every contract, and if you have this role, you can actually see the tab. If not, you can't see it. Oh, actually, one more thing I'll have to do before committing. I have a method in store that checks if you have any admin rights. So like the idea of showing an admin tab, it shows up only if you have game admin rights on any of the contracts that are introduced in admin panel. So I will have to add contracts I've added here today, so weapons and burning manager, to this particular function. User has admin access. Is this? No. That's taking in contract and calling has role on game admin. And here's user has any admin access. So it basically takes an array of promises that like can tell if a user has a particular role in particular contract, and if any of this is correct, it will return true. That's the idea, to go promise by promise and return true immediately if there's one match. Do not like if there will be like many tabs in quests in admin panel, we wouldn't have to go through all of them one by one. You can just if we encounter a true, so if an user has any admin access, it will return true immediately. But I will have to manually add weapons admin role. Like it's not that manual because weapons admin role, and it's just calling weapons or weapon. No weapons. I have to have the contract here. Maybe I could even extend it to take an array of contracts and then build this logic for each contract that's here. I don't know. I will see later. It's working now, so good enough. Yeah, there's definitely too much to add for this. It should like take in an array of contracts and get a role for each contract and then check promises one by one until successful improvements. Definitely too many changes for one commit, but why not? Analyzing code, come on. Commit anyway. Also, why is common red? I'm curious. Okay, yeah, that's... It's not a problem. It's alright. Okay, I think I'll end my stream for today. Yeah. So it's the first stream after my break. I hope I'll do it more regularly. We'll see. Yeah, so thank you guys for tuning in. Hope you learned something, had a great time here with me, chilling. Yeah, so thanks again, and see ya, guys.